Today, students, we are doing part 3 from lesson 3 of the Akshar Bharati textbook for standard 9. Beta mi aikto ahe. To watch part 1 and 2, you'll get the link in the description box below. So come along then. Let's continue with the lesson. This video was made just for you. Do remember to like, share and subscribe.
हा म्हणता 3 महिने निघून गेले. So हा म्हणता means in this way slowly and steadily 3 months were passed, निघून गेले. So that is how they the 3 months passed by when Shirish started learning. आणखीन 3 महिन्याने होणाऱ्या माझ्या विद्यालयाच्या प्रथम कार्यक्रमात आपण शिरीषला कार्यक्रम द्यायचा. So after 3 months more, okay, so this was 3 months that happened when Shirish started learning, and then the narrator realized, the teacher realized that next 3 months there is a Vidyalaya means in the school pratham karyakram, the first program. Pratham means first program. In that program apan Shirishla karyakram द्यायचा. So he decided that I will give Shirish one program or one performance to perform the music. असा मी निश्चय करून टाकला. So निश्चय means to do the decision. So he decided to give Shirish the one of the program. आणि त्यानुसार मी शिरीषला म्हणालो. So in the thinking about that, he asked Shirish he told Shirish अशीच प्रगती कायम राहू दे. आपल्या विद्यालयाच्या कार्यक्रमात मी तुझे कार्यक्रम ठेवणार आहे. So he told Shirish that continue with this progress. Pragati means progress. Ashish means in the same way. Kayam means continue this program and this practice and आपल्या विद्यालयाच्या कार्यक्रमात. So when we have our school or class program, मी तुझा कार्यक्रम ठेवणार आहे. So I will keep one of your program in that. हे ऐकल्यावर शिरीषला अत्यानंद होईल अशी कल्पना होती. सो कल्पना मीन्स आय फेल्ट, ओके, दिस इज व्हॉट माय फीलिंग्स वर, दॅट अत्यानंद मीन्स ही विल फील व्हेरी हॅपी अबाउट इट. बट पण त्याच्या चेहऱ्यावर आनंदाचा काही भावना दिसल्या नाही. सो ही सेइंग दॅट he did not show any happiness, okay. चेहऱ्यावर मीन्स ऑन हिज फेस काही, not a single thing happiness. Bhavna means the feeling of happiness. When a person is happy, you can see it on his face. So that is what the narrator could see, that he was not happy at all. Shirish was not happy. इतकेच नव्हे तर त्याचा चेहरा काहीसा उतरला. So not only he was not showing any happiness, okay, but his चेहरा means his face काहीसा उतरला means the expression showing unhappiness. मी विचारले, काय तुला हे ऐकून काहीच आनंद वाटत नाही का? सो द नरेटर आस्क्ड हिम दॅट व्हॉट, काय मीन्स व्हॉट, तुला हे ऐकून काहीच आनंद वाटले नाही का? गंभीर आवाजात ठाशीव स्वरूपाचे उत्तर आले. सो गंभीर मीन्स विथ सिरियस, ओके, अगेन विथ सिरियसनेस बट विथ बोल्ड, ओके, ही गेव एन आन्सर. माझ्यापेक्षा नानांना त्याचा आनंद जास्त होईल. सो अगेन ही सेड द सेम थिंग. इन स्पाइट ऑफ मी फीलिंग हॅपी, माय फादर विल बी मोर हॅपी. जास्त मीन्स मोर, ही विल बी मोर हॅपी अबाउट इट. पिता पुत्र गेले आणि प्रत्येक वेळी मिळणाऱ्या शिरीषच्या तरेवाहिक उत्तराचे आश्चर्य करीत मी बसलो. So what happened is, anytime he would ask this question, at that time when he asked him, he said, in spite of me, my father will be more happy about it. And saying this, both of them went off. And every time the narrator or the teacher would ask him something, he would give such strange, answers back to him. So that is how he would feel surprised about it. कि what is this boy answering? प्रत्येक वेळी तो नानाचे नाव का घेतो, पण नाना अगदी रोज त्याच्या बरोबर येतात. सो प्रत्येक वेळी मीन्स एव्हरी टाइम बाय ही टेक्स नाना's नेम, सो वेन एव्हर ही आस्क्स एनिथिंग, ही सेइंग माझ्यापेक्षा नानांना बरं आनंद वाटेल, हो बरं वाटेल, हो, लाईक दॅट. सो ही वुड टेक नाना's नेम फॉर एव्हरीथिंग दॅट ही वुड आन्सर. सो द टीचर कुडंट अंडरस्टँड. सो ही सेइंग का घेतो, वाय ही इज ही टेकिंग नाना's नेम each and every time. अँड नाना अगदी रोज त्याच्या बरोबर येतात. सो वाय नाना इज एव्हरी टाइम कमिंग विथ हिम? नो, पेरेंट्स विल जस्ट कम, लीव द चाइल्ड अँड गो. नो, they don't wait for the children to complete or sit in the class or anything. So this is what he felt. The teacher felt very strange and he couldn't understand all these things. त्याचे रहस्य काय असावे? सो व्हॉट इज द मिस्ट्री बिहाइंड ऑल दिस? काय असावे? ह्या प्रश्नाचे उत्तर मला सापडेना. सो I just couldn't understand what is going on. Why is he always taking Nana's name, and every time Nana, why is he coming to the class? So all this he couldn't understand at all. याशिवाय, and in spite of this, आणखीन एक शंका माझ्या मनात वरचेवर येत असे. So these were the questions that were, playing on the narrator's mind, as well as there was one more doubt. शंका means doubt. माझ्या मनात वरचेवर येत असे. सो again and again, वरचेवर means again and again it was coming. ती म्हणजे नाना जवळ असताना शिरीष मोकळ्या मनाने व्हायलिन वाजवत नसावाही. सो whenever Nana was there very close to him, he would never play मोकळ्या मनाने. मोकळ्या means with freely, when you enjoy something, because he had said he loved music, but when you enjoy something you play very freely. So that is what Shirish wouldn't do. He was, like maybe timid or, scared or some doubt in it. So that is what he felt, that Shirish would never be very freely playing music when Nana was around. दुसरेच दिवशी Shirish आला नाही. So on that, when he felt this doubt, on the next day Shirish did not come. त्याचा हा पहिला खाडा. So त्याचा means his, that is Shirishचा पहिला खाडा means absentee. Okay, so he did not come. नसेल एखाद्या वेळेस जमले. So here the narrator felt that maybe sometimes one of the absentees is okay, sometimes you have other work or maybe something may have come up, so he was not able to. असे मी समाधान करून घेतले. So I just took the satisfaction that maybe he was not able to come today. पण त्याच्या दुसऱ्या दिवशी सुद्धा शिरीष आला नाही. सो अगेन द नेक्स्ट डे ऑल्सो शिरीष डिड नॉट कम. चौथा दिवस गेला, पाचवा गेला आणि तसेच 15 दिवस गेले. सो दुसरा दिवस, सेकंड डे ऑल्सो ही डिडंट कम, फोर्थ डे ऑल्सो ही डिडंट कम, पाचवा 5 days went by, and in the same way 15 days went by. शिरीषचा पत्ता नव्हता. सो शिरीष was not to be seen at all. 16व्या दिवशी एक मनुष्य निरोप व फीचे पैसे घेऊन आला. सो ऑन द 16th day of Shirish being absent, one मनुष्य means one person, निरोप means a note or a message, व फीचे पैसे, so he brought the money for the fees, घेऊन आला. नाना आजारी असल्यामुळे शिरीष येऊ शकणार नाही. So this is the message he gave, and he said that because Nana is not well, Shirish cannot come. ओके, असे तू म्हणाला. थोड्याच त्रागाने मी म्हणालो. तो थोड्याशा त्रागाने, सो लिटल अँगर. ओके, मी म्हणालो. ही सेड that is the narrator or the teacher said, नानाशी त्याला काय करायचे आहे. सो what does he have to do with Nana? Okay, so Nana is azari, let him rest at home, na? Shirish can come to the class. That is what the teacher means. So why he has to bring Nana every time to the class? Nana is not well, okay, Nana can rest at home. That is what he felt. So he said, नानांशी त्याला काय करायचे आहे. इकडे कार्यक्रम जवळ येत चालला आहे, त्याचा काय. So here he is getting irritated and he is saying the program is coming close by, and now what? He has no worry about that. The last 15 days he has not come. So doesn't he worry about that? Why he has to bother about bringing Nana over here? Nana can rest if he is not well. He can come for practice. That is what the teacher felt. शिरीष आला नाही. त्याची वाट पाहून मी त्याचा कार्यक्रम रद्द केला. सो बट शिरीष डिड नॉट कम ॲट ऑल. सो ही वेटेड फॉर क्वाइट सम डेज, बट देन द नरेटर हॅड टू कॅन्सल. रद्द मीन्स टू कॅन्सल द प्रोग्राम. त्याचे नाव पण काढायचे नाही असे ठरवून मी बाकीचे विद्यार्थी तयार केले. सो नाव ही फेल्ट सो एंग्री दॅट he said that I'm not even ever going to think about him, not even going to take his name at all. त्याचे नाव पण काढायचे नाही असे ठरवून मी बाकीचे विद्यार्थी तयार केले. सो रेस्ट ऑफ द ही स्टार्टेड कॉन्सन्ट्रेटिंग ऑन द प्रोग्राम अँड प्रिपेअरिंग द अदर स्टुडंट्स फॉर द प्रोग्राम. समारंभाचा दिवस उगवला. सो समारंभ मीन्स ऑन दॅट very program, the day of the program came. दिवस उगवला means it was the day of the program. आणि सकाळपासून शिरीषच्या आठवणीने मी उगाचच बेचैन झालो होतो. बट ऑन दॅट डे ही could remember शिरीष again and again. So सकाळपासून from morning he was remembering शिरीष and he was feeling restless about it. सकाळची इतर कामे आटपून मी जरा स्वस्य बसतो न बसतो. So he had lot of work, no? So because the program was there, so as soon as he in the morning, maybe the program was in the evening, so all his work when he finished, he was just about to sit and darat Shirish uba. So he saw Shirish was there at the door. Darat means at the door. Shirish was standing. Uba means standing. मी ताडकन उभा राहिलो. So suddenly I got up, all of a sudden. व त्याच्याजवळ गेलो. So I went towards him because he was just going to sit and rest when he suddenly saw Shirish and he immediately went towards him. अरे तुझा पत्ता तरी काय आणि आज एकटाच कसा काय? So here he started asking him कि where are you and why are you alone today? एकटाच means alone. How come you are alone today? Because every time Nana used to come, no? नाना कसे नाहीत बरोबर? So how come Nana is not there with you? इकडेची दुनिया तिकडे होईल ना. So now here he is taunting him. Okay. So he's saying if Nana doesn't come, the whole world will become topsy-turvy. इकडेची दुनिया तिकडे होईल ना if Nana doesn't come. इकडची दुनिया तिकडे झाली आहे sir. So now with a sad tone, what is Shirish saying? Okay, this is my whole world has turned upside down. It has become topsy-turvy. Okay, so he say इकडची दुनिया तिकडे झाली आहे sir. यापुढे मी एकटाच दिसेन. So from now onwards you will see me all alone. माझे नाना, नाना, माझे नाना कायमचे गेले हो sir. So that is what with a sad tone he's taking Nana's name and he can't speak, he's so filled with sadness. So when you're filled with sadness you can hardly utter a word, no? But somehow he continues and speaks the sentence and he says Kayamse. Kayamse means forever he has gone. बऱ्याचशा सांत्वनानंतर त्याने विचारले. Okay, so after Santwana means to console. So he started after a lot of consoling because maybe he started crying, no? Because he remembered his Nana. आज आपल्या विद्यालयाचा कार्यक्रम ना. So he just remembered that yes, today is the schools or the class, the musical class program, isn't it? So that is what he asked him. मी खिन्नपणे हो म्हणालो. So with sadness, the teacher said, yes, today is the program. मग मला आज कार्यक्रम द्या. So he said, no, today you have to give me the program. नाही म्हणू नका sir. So don't say no sir. So he is now, pressurizing sir and requesting him, telling him that don't say no. एवढीच इच्छा पूर्वा. So this is the only wish. Just, fulfill my wish. So Purva means fulfill. So एवढीच इच्छा पूर्वा. तो असे म्हणाल्यावर मात्र माझ्यातला शिक्षक जागा झाला. So I also felt as a teacher when the student is requesting so much, so teachers also feel yeah we should give. मी सौम्य आवाजात म्हणालो, but with a very soft tone he said, Shirish, मी तुझ्या भावना ओळखतो. So he's saying I can understand your feelings. Okay, so I can understand your feelings. पण आज माझ्या नाईलाज आहे. So he's saying माझा नाईलाज means I have no solution to it. Don't ask me today. आजच्या या पहिल्या कार्यक्रमावरच आपल्या विद्यालयाची इब्रत. Okay, so he's saying on this program only our whole class's reputation. Ibrat means reputation, prestige, honor. So avlambun means it is dependent. So today's program will decide on the prestige or the honor of our class. त्यातून तुझे 2 महिने गैरहजेरी लागली आहे. गैरहजेरी means you have not come for the last 2 months. तूच सांग, मी तुला कार्यक्रम कसा काय देऊ? So now you only tell me, how can I give you the program? Today is the first program, and the honor and reputation of the class depends on this program. And on that also you have not been coming for practice, for the last 2 months. अगदिक होऊन शिरीष म्हणाला. अगदिक means helplessly. शिरीष said, sir, माझी एवढी एकच विनंती मान्य करा. So विनंती means request. So this is the only request. I'm, fulfill this request, please. मला आज वाजवू द्या. Today let me play. नंतर जन्मात हात लावणार नाही व्हायलिनला. So जन्मात means in my entire life I will not touch or place my hand on that violin. तू पुढे जन्मभर वाजव पण आज वाजवू नकोस. So but the teacher is saying the whole life I will allow you to play, but today you don't play. So that is what is going on between that. The student is requesting the teacher, but the teacher has his own problems of not giving him. We know that Shirish was new, he has come after a long time, and the program, the whole honor of the program honor of the class depends on this today's program. तुझी मनस्थिती ही आज बरोबर नाही. So your state of mind, manasthiti means your state of mind, because of course his father is expired today, no? So he's saying you are not in a condition, your state of mind is also not proper today. मला परवानगी दिली तर माझी मनस्थिती आपोआपच सुधारेल. But Shirish is again arguing and he's saying, if you give me the permission today, okay, my state of mind on its own will become proper. Sudarel means it will become proper. शेवटी त्याचे दुखित मन पुन्हा आणखी कशाला दुखवावा असा विचार करून मी त्याला परवानगी दिली. So the teacher realized that he's already so sad, about losing his father. So why make him more sad? In that he told him okay. He gave him the permission to play. मात्र पहिलाच कार्यक्रम त्याचा ठेवावा असेच मी ठरवले. So again he decided that he will give him the first program, so that Shirish plays and he goes, and then he can continue with the rest of the program. So that was with that in mind, the teacher allowed him and he said let him play the first the program itself.
To check your answers to the textual questions and for free worksheets, please visit our website at www.jkacademypro.com. You'll get the link in the description box below. Do remember to like, share and subscribe.